Hello everyone. Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we will be making a unique breakfast recipe for a healthy protein-filled upma made entirely with Moong Dal. This dish will keep you filled till lunch and tastes very delicious too. Here is how to do it. We will be using a cup of split green gram for making this recipe. If you are hard pressed for time, you can use unpolished yellow Moong Dal too. Wash and soak the green gram for a minimum of about 4 to 5 hours. If planning to make this for breakfast, you can soak it overnight too. After soaking, the lentils would have almost doubled in size. Scrub the lentils well between your fingers. Scrubbing will help in releasing the skin from the lentils. Wash in running water and drain several times. Drain between your fingers to get rid of the green skin. Repeat the procedure until most of the green skin from the dal has been removed. Some of the skin might still be attached and that's fine. Add around half a cup of water and half a teaspoon of salt and grind everything to a smooth paste. Do not add too much water while grinding. Our moong paste is now ready. I am using a cloth-lined idli plate for making the moong idlis today. If using a regular idli pan, grease the pan with some oil so the idlis can be removed easily without sticking after steaming. Place the idli pan in a steamer and steam for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the idlis from heat and let it cool completely. Our cooled idlis are now ready. Grate the completely cooled idlis. It is very important that the idlis are cool, else it will be very difficult to grate and it will all stick to the grater. The grated idlis should resemble shredded cheese. You can also use a food processor to shred. Our grated moong idlis are now ready. Set aside. Now we will make the upma. Heat Indian sesame oil in a pan until hot. Add some mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Add in the finely chopped ginger, dried red chilies and some curry leaves. Fry for a few seconds until fragrant. Add in the chopped onions and the green chilies and the salt. Using a lot of onions in this dish makes the upma very tasty. Fry till the onions are soft. Once the onions are soft, add the grated idlis to the pan. At this stage, also add some shredded coconut and the coriander leaves. Mix everything well to combine. Our Pasi Payaru Upma is now ready. Serve for breakfast with a simple coconut chutney. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Until next time, this is me Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.